ways, and I'm back again on the street.